Meaning of Jainism.
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 Jainism. Jainism is a religion and philosophy that originated in ancient India. It is based on the teachings of the Jainas, or conquerors, who were spiritual teachers and thinkers that attained enlightenment and taught others how to do the same. The central principles of Jainism include non-violence, ahimsa, truthfulness, satya, non-stealing, asteya, celibacy, brahmacharya, and detachment from material possessions, aparigraha. Jainism also places great emphasis on karma, reincarnation, and the idea that the ultimate goal of human existence is to break free from the cycle of birth and death by attaining enlightenment and liberation from worldly suffering.